Welcome back, everybody. Tonight is night 8 of our very merry Play-Doh Advent Calendar. Let's see. We get to open this little door right here.
As Pookie's in her sink. Hi, Pookie.
This cat. All right. Let's see what we have on day 8.
Is it another arm?
I think we might have gotten the other arm.
No.
No.
That is antlers. We got reindeer antlers. Is that it? What? Are you having a hard time pulling something out, or is it in another day?
I don't know.
That might be in a different day.
No.
There's instructions?
Yeah. I got instructions.
That's the first time we've got instructions.
Yeah, I got instructions today.
That's cool.
All right. So we need some parts from the other days. All right, we need to consult day 1 for a ring. Not that ring. Okay. And we need to consult day 3 for the black Play-Doh. Oh, shoot. The red Play-Doh from day 4. And my knife thing fell out.
What? You had that like last night.
Yeah, it's not in there now. It's probably gonna.
Well, it's a good thing we have replacement knives.
Yeah. All right, so let's. Can you hand me the other day?
Is it on this?
I'm checking.
No.
No. So we're not doing either day. Okay. We are just doing our own thing.
What? It's not even on the first one? Cool.
Nope, I guess that's why you have this little doodad.
We don't need other colors? Just the one?
Just the 3 colors.
3 colors?
Yeah. You're supposed to have that rolly tool. You're supposed to have the rolly tool and roll out the dough at this point, but I don't have that. Schmoosh. Okay. Okay.
Our counter is almost the same color.
Yeah, our counter is very similar in color. Well, now we are going to steal a piece of the red, because clearly we're making Rudolph. Now, we're going to do 2 eyes. This one's a lot more in-depth than any of the other ones have been. I really hope I'm proportioning these 2 eyes the same. I don't think I am. But it'll be all right. I found it though, so we're okay. I think this is the part where you're supposed to like cut the thing to the certain lengths with the knifey tool that I have lost.
I mean, if you can work it, why not?
That's a little big. theory. Okay. Almost there. Did not pull off where I asked it to. His face is a little interesting, but it's okay. Alrighty.
You're not supposed to smush it down on the antlers?
I did smush it down on the antlers. There's like a little stick thing that I smooshed it into. Alrighty. There is our Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. The eyes keep moving around on me, but there you have it, folks. Day number 8. We got a cute little reindeer here. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. And we will see you guys tomorrow night for night 9.